Hey YouTube, on today's video I'm going to repair my favorite tennis shoes. Most people would chunk these straight in the dumpster, but I'm trying to help the environment. Reduce, recycle, reuse. Here are the materials I will be using for this project. I marked off the glitter sections with masking tape. Next, I'm going to use the fabric glue on the sole and sides of the shoe. I used tape to hold it together. I did not have rubber bands. I also glued the area where the foot bends. I have my patio door open for ventilation. Sorry for the extra noise. I had to wait until the spray adhesive was tacky and then I sprinkled on the glitter. Now I'm just repeating the process. Here's a closer look. I let that dry overnight. The next day, I repeated the process for the back of the shoes and let that dry overnight as well. This is the result. It almost looks brand new. At least they're not as rough as they once were. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.